Okay, elevated push-ups. I'm gonna do them against the window pane, but you can do them on a bench, on a chair, on a step. You have your belly button pulled in, back straight, chest proud, come down. Okay, knee push-ups. You're gonna be on your knees. How I like to do it is you go into a plank, drop your knees, and push up. From the side, plank, knees, push up. Okay. Okay, squat. Like you're sitting into a chair, feet shoulder width apart. Legs, knees always stay behind your toes. From the side, into the chair. Okay. Walkouts. We're going to be standing straight. We're going to walk our hands down, out, and up. Into plank, and up. You might want to add in push up. Ta-da. And crunches. So you're gonna have your knees bent, belly button towards your spine, hands behind your head, nice neutral chin, like you have an orange, and crunch up towards the ceiling.